The UK government has officially launched new eVisas today, specifically designed for Pakistani students and workers. The UK government is transitioning from traditional physical immigration documents to a digital proof of immigration status for the majority of student and worker visas, the eVisa. This innovative eVisa serves as an online record of an individual's immigration permission in the UK, detailing any applicable conditions. By creating and accessing an online UK Visas and Immigration UKVI account, individuals can easily view their immigration status. eVisas represent a significant advancement in UK border and immigration framework designed to simplify the visa process while enhancing security and efficiency through digital and streamlined methods. Proven effective, eVisas are currently utilized by millions on various immigration routes. British High Commissioner Jane Marriott CMG OBE stated, "These changes to the UK visa system will make it much simpler for students and workers to prove their identity and visa status. It also means applicants can hold on to their passports, saving them time. Holders can link their travel document, such as passport, to their UKVI account to facilitate straightforward international travel. People who have created a UKVI account will be able to use the View and Prove service to prove their status securely with third parties, such as employers or landlords, in England. Applicants seeking visas as dependents or as primary applicants for categories other than study or work, such as general visitor visas, must still obtain a physical visa sticker. However, those who already possess valid physical visa stickers do not need to take any further action."